All right, guys, 2016 Ford. Ah. All right, guys, we got you a 2020 BMW M. Oh, not M. All right, guys, we have a 2019 Toyota Camry Avalon. 2006 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. No, does it have the 5.0 on this? I don't remember. All right, guys, we got you a 2013 Dodge Challenger SXT V6. Why is it so zoomed in? 2021, man. All right, guys, 2021 Dodge Charger. 2003 Ford. 2017, yeah, never fails, every time. 2021 Dodge Challenger. All right, guys, we got a 2000, I don't know. All right, guys, 2016 Dodge Charger. 2019 Toyota Camry. Not ready? Where's the keys? In the door? All right, guys, 1994 Chrysler. All right, guys, I bet you this is the only BMW. Go ahead. 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. 2000. Really? 2021 Dodge Challenger. And it's got a sunroof. 2021 Dodge Charger.
Bro, I'm not putting my hand in.
Do it. Do it.
Like this.
Take one. 2016 Dodge Charger Shaker. Challenge. All right, guys, 2020. Oh. All right, guys, we got a 2021 Subaru out. All right, guys, we got a 2012.
One of these days, I'm gonna up one of your videos.
Why is that, sir?
Because it'd be funny as
What about? How do you feel about that?
I have no comment.
As usual.
You got fuzzy on your phone.